Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. In today's video, we are going to quickly discuss the syllabus for CBSE Class 9th French for the batch 2025-26. Okay, so as we can see, your final exam is going to be of 3 hours. Maximum marks is going to be 80, 20 marks are your internal assessment marks, right? I think I should keep my hand out of the frame so that the text is focused, right? So, reading section, one unseen prose passage. It could be factual, it could be descriptive, or 150 words. It can have a picture, grammatically represented data, because 1 to 2 questions are going to be based on that picture or that infographic or that diagram. Right. For writing section, one long composition wherein you'll have an informal letter for 80 words, word limit 80 words, 20 marks, 10 marks for reading section, 20 marks for writing. Among two short compositions, you can have recipe, message writing, carte postale or postal card, description of a person with visual input and clues. So there could be a picture or some clues given, and based on that, you might have to describe that person. Carte postale we have already discussed on my channel, and it's taught in CBSE class 9, so you may refer to my videos posted on the channel itself. Message writing, again, ample videos are already there. To invite someone, to reject an invite, to accept an invite, and recipe. Like in your Ontologian Class 9 textbook, you have two recipes as much as I remember. One is mousse au chocolat and another one is salad niçoise. So if your teacher is fine with the recipes that are already there in the book, go ahead with them. Otherwise, pick up any French dish whose recipe is easy to memorize, because you have to memorize the entire thing, the ingredients and the process of making the presentation and the quantities, etc. So for that, you have to learn it, and hence pick a recipe which is easy. If you can pick, like if your school teacher allows you to pick the ones that are already in the book, amazing then. Grammar section I would like to discuss separately, like in this video itself, once we are discussing the paper pattern. Culture civilisation, short answer questions, 10 marks, 5 into 2. MCQ, vrai ou faux, relier les colonnes et remplissez les blancs. Okay, so 10 marks short answer questions, the subjective ones, and 10 marks for objective, 5 each. The 8 lessons that you have for this year's syllabus is again what we have been having for the past few academic sessions. Lesson 1, La Famille. Lesson 2, Au lycée. Lesson 3, Une journée de Pauline. Lesson 4, Les saisons. Lesson 5, Les voyages. Lesson 6, Les loisirs et le sport. Lesson 7, L'âge de poche. Lesson 8, Faire des achats. 20 marks, internal assessment as per CBSE guidelines for all subjects. Subject enrichment activity, ASL 5 marks, portfolio 5 marks, periodic test 5 marks, multiple assessment 5 marks. So these 20 marks depend entirely in your school. Well, for CBSE class 9, all 100 marks are in the school's hand only, because the exam is taking place in the school itself, right? So these 80 marks will come from your theory paper, the final exam, and the remaining 20 will be internal marks, right? Let me just flip the page. Oh god, just a minute. Okay, refer to the latest guidelines issued by CBSE on their website from time to time. It is recommended that listening and speaking skills be regularly practiced, and art integrated projects based on activities like role play, skit dramatization should be encouraged. So these should be ideally done in your school. Prescribed textbook, Audition Class 9 CBSE textbook lessons 1 to 8. But of course, you can do get supplementary books as well, like Cahiers d'Exercice by Mahita Ranjit, Audition Class 9 workbook. It is excellent, it has a lot of content, and you can definitely practice a lot of things from there. Now, quickly discussing the paper pattern. Cool, 10 marks section A, 20 for section B, 30 for section C, and 20 for section D. This distribution is pretty much same as what we have in class 9. I mean class 10th. This is what we are discussing for class 9. So class 10th, section-wise distribution of marks is also exactly the same. So section A, okay, it's for understanding. Unseen prose passage, only one will be there, 150 words. Picture or database, we have already discussed. Vrai ou faux or true or false. Short answer questions, you can have vocabulary search, that is two-way on the text. Noun and verb forms, synonyms and adjectives, right? Chercher, des synonymes, chercher des adjectifs, ou la forme verbale, la forme nominale. Such questions are there, contraire, etc. Section B, creating. So one long composition, letter we know already, 80 words, creative long answers, 10 marks, and 5 into 2, you need to attempt 5, message describing a person, recipe or postcard. Okay, so maybe there can be any 3 of them and you need to do any 2 of them. Right, that's how it's there in class 10 as well. Section C, okay, application. Now we have grammar. Okay, 5 out of 7 questions for each grammar topic. Fine. So, what all questions do you have? You have les adjectifs demonstrative, which are sir, say, set, right? And at times this as well, C apostrophe. So, trouver la question, interrogative adverbs, interrogation, then inversion, you should be aware of all that. Negative, negative again, basic negation. And I'm not really sure if, like, I don't remember if negative expressions are taught in your school. So you may prepare based on what all things have been covered in your school. Some schools may take up negative expressions in class 9, like in my school, they did, right? Some schools may not. So accordingly, prepare the negation topic for your exam. Le pronom seulement complément d'objet direct et complément d'objet indirect. For mettez un temps convenable, present tense, futur simple, impératif, futur proche, passé composé, imparfait. Imperative is getting repeated twice. I mean, misprint, I would say. Et les verbes pronominaux. The pronominal verbs that contain the reflexive pronoun in front of them. For example, se lever, se réveiller, s'habiller, right? All those. And all these tenses have already been covered on my channel. You have revision videos, concept explanation videos, practice question videos. A lot of them are there for class 10. So since all these tenses are present in class 10 syllabus as well, you can indeed refer to my class 10 revision videos and you can just practice the questions and the content which is there for these specific tenses. Pronom relative simple, again, que, qui, ou, and dont. Again, dont at times is not really taught, but sometimes dont is taught in class 9. Depends from school to school. So accordingly, prepare your pronom relative sampler. Culture civilization, 8 chapters we already discussed. And the entire textbook solution, that is Antogen class 9. The full textbook solution, literally up to chapter number 12, below 4, everything has been uploaded on my channel. Please go to the playlist to prepare for your exam. MCQs, true and false, master column, fill in the blanks. Students will be tested for any 2, total marks 80, remaining 20 or internal examination. With this, we are done with the syllabus discussion, the paper pattern discussion for CBSE class 9 French. Prepare well. I am there to support you for your exam preparation. If you have any doubts, ask in the comments. I shall reply to you on the very same day. And with this, let's put a halt here. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn French with Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.